back. This is Kathy from Kathy Cooks For You, and we're in a little mini series. This episode is all about spinach. This is episode 2. So go to episode 1 and check that one out, and you're gonna find out how we made this amazing spinach here. It is so beautiful and has peppers and onions and is absolutely gorgeous. So we are gonna take this now. We already made it one dish with it. This time, we're gonna make it with some eggs. And you think, oh, I don't need Kathy to show me how to scramble some eggs. Well, I'm telling you, I am pretty darn good with scrambled eggs. I don't even call them scrambled eggs. I call them pulled eggs. I push and pull them on the pan, and they're like curdled, beautiful pillows. Absolutely beautiful. So watch me how I make these beautiful eggs, and then we're gonna put our spinach on top. First things first, we have our 6 scrambled eggs that I've already beat up here, and we are gonna put some butter in the pan. I'm using about a little over a tablespoon here. Then we're going to pour in our eggs, and we're just gonna push and pull those eggs on low heat until they're done. They are going to be amazing. These eggs are perfect. They're not dried out. They're nice pillows. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Then we're just gonna put our spinach on top. You can heat your spinach first. Spinach on top. A little more salt and pepper. I already had salt on there, so I'm just gonna put some pepper. Oh, yeah, that's pepper. Just gonna put some pepper. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a little Parmesan cheese. Ooh la la. That is gonna be so tasty. All right, let me get a little bit of egg and spinach and Parmesan cheese. You can serve that for dinner, it's so good. And here you have it, one more way to get through the spinach you made. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. Give me a comment, let me know what you think, and watch some of my episodes. This one was kind of short, so you can now click on some other ones to watch. Thanks.